This channel earns over $10,000 a month in passive income. In today's video, I'll teach you how to build a similar channel using AI to do all the work, from scripting to visuals and voiceover. Don't worry, the AI tools in this video are totally free. The best part about this income source is it takes under 30 minutes, unlike other extra jobs that need a lot of time. So if you're keen on earning passive income, keep watching till the end. I assure you this video has tips you won't find anywhere else. I found this channel while watching YouTube on a TV with my younger sister after YouTube suggested one of their videos. I got curious about how much money they were making with this straightforward idea. You won't believe what my research showed. This channel is earning around $2,000 each month, according to Social Blade, and that doesn't even include their Amazon ebook sales. I was surprised to learn that the channel has only 7,000 subscribers and gets 500,000 views every month with just 8 videos. So, grab a pen and paper, sit down, and let's begin. The first move is to visit ChatGPT and request a prompt to come up with 20 forest animal names. I recommend picking animals that kids might not know well, so they can learn to identify more creatures. This will also help them get better at English. After you've selected 10 unique animals, your next task is to create a goodnight saying for each one, based on where they live and what they can do. For instance, let's say I picked squirrel from the generated list. I then crafted a special goodnight message for it. Feel free to get inventive at this stage and try out various approaches. It's important to make it feel real and emotional for the kids watching. I advise doing the wording yourself without the chatbot's help. The next thing to do is to make images of the animals, and for that, we'll use AI. So go ahead and sign up for Bing Image Creator. If you don't have an account, the link is in the description. You could also use Midjourney or another AI-based image creator, but I personally use Bing Image Creator. The reasons are simple. It's entirely free, and it's more advanced. If you've been enjoying the video so far, make sure to hit that like button. Now let's get the AI to create an image of a squirrel in a forest. I even went a bit extra and asked the AI to make an image of a squirrel with her 2 little ones in the forest. Remember, after you outline what you want, you have to specify the style of the image you're looking for, like digital art, retro, or watercolor. In this case, after the comma you see here, I chose animated illustration because it fits what we need. I had some fun experimenting with the AI, and the results were really good. I followed the same steps for all the animals that the AI generated for me. I won't go through the same steps for each animal to keep the video from getting too long, but you get the idea. To download the images, simply click on the image you want, and then hit the download button located on the right side. Now it's time to add a voiceover to the images we've just downloaded. For this particular step, make your way to Play HD. If you don't have an account, go ahead and sign up. Once you're logged in, navigate to the studio, which you'll find at the top right corner of the screen. This AI tool offers a variety of voice options, both male and female, from different countries, and you even have the ability to adjust the speed of the voice. For this video, I've chosen to use Isla's meditation voice. Next, take the goodnight phrase that I demonstrated at the beginning and paste it right here. I like to separate each sentence into its own paragraph. This way, I can control the pauses between sentences, making the voiceover sound more human. To do this, simply press Enter after each period to start a new paragraph. See, it's as easy as I told you. This technique helps me save time because I don't have to cut or adjust the audio later during the editing process. Since Ayla's voice is naturally slow, I set the speed to 0.9x. Feel free to play around and test different speeds to find what suits the character of the voice you've chosen. Now, let's go ahead and listen to our final audio. Hello, Mrs. Squirrel. She has been busy gathering nuts all day. Now, as the evening arrives with a gentle breeze, it's time for Mrs. Squirrel to rest. So let's say goodnight to her with a soft hush and wish her sweet dreams. Good night, Mrs. Squirrel. To get your audio file, hit Export Project at the top right of your screen and opt for As a Single Audio File. Your audio will then download. Now that we've got both the images and the audio files we need, all generated by AI, it's time to move on to the next step. But before we get into editing the final cut of our YouTube video on Canva, we've got to find some royalty-free background music. Head over to epidemicsound.com, where they're currently offering a free 30-day trial. The link is right there in the description. Be cautious with this step. I had one of my channels demonetized because I used music that falsely claimed to be free. Once you're signed in, look for music that's calm and soothing. Pick any tune that you like. I'm going with Erwin Waters because it really gives you that in the forest feel. To download the music, just click on the downward arrow icon located in the right corner. To add a little extra flair, I also downloaded a sound effect of crickets chirping from their sound effects menu to make it feel like we're actually in the forest. For your last step, navigate to canva.com and register if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, click on Create Design located at the top right corner and type in YouTube video. A variety of templates will appear. Select the one labeled YouTube video. Now, it's time to insert the audio and images we've previously generated, along with any additional sound effects. To do this, click on the Uploads tab on the left-hand sidebar and then hit Upload Files. I've neatly arranged all my images, audios, and sound effects into separate folders, and I recommend you do the same to keep everything in order. Next up, you'll want to synchronize the audio with the images. You might notice that the images don't completely fill the video frame, even after adjustments. This is a limitation of current AI-generated images. But don't worry, there's a workaround. Click on the image to enlarge it slightly. Then click on it again and select Edit Photo. Head over to Effects, click on Blur, and adjust the intensity to 48. After that, re-upload this edited image from your uploads and align it in the middle of the frame. Make sure to do this for each image, matching them with their respective sounds. And there you have it. Let's play the video to see how it all came together. Hello, Mrs. Squirrel. She has been busy gathering nuts all day. Now, as the evening arrives with a gentle breeze, it's time for Mrs. Squirrel to rest. So let's say goodnight to her with a soft hush and wish her sweet dreams. Good night, Mrs. Squirrel. I don't really like how the pictures change. It could be smoother. To fix this, hover between the pictures and click the Add Transition button. There are different types to pick from. For this video, I'm picking the Dissolve type. You can also change how fast it happens. Click Apply and make sure it's set for all the pictures. Let's check how it looks now. I'm happy we made this video in less than 20 minutes. Now you can get creative. You can add moving pictures because kids like stuff that moves. If you go to Fiverr.com and search for cartoon videos, you'll find a lot, and some are even less than $20. This is also true for voiceovers. So, why am I telling you all this? To do well on YouTube and make good money without a regular job, you need to remember two main things. First, be different. Your videos should not look like everyone else's. Try different things and see what people like. Second, post videos all the time. For example, if this channel had 2 videos a week, they could be making more than $10,000 each month and get a lot more people watching. Follow what I showed you and you'll do well. If you have questions, put them in the comments. Also, please click the like button and subscribe to see more videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.